So this would make a fine timber investment. It's been around 30 years since it's been timbered. I think he said 28 years. So the timber is getting pretty well ready to cut again here real soon. Access is rough getting back in there. Make a great hunting camp back in there. There is a stream. Green Creek goes through the property, and there's a couple little valleys that you could take advantage of, and may make a few ponds back there for recreation. There is still the old timber trails around on the property that have to be cleaned out and stuff again, to be usable for your side-by-side. Tons and tons of roads, dirt roads, back roads, trails, back through the woods. Great hunting in that area. Lots of big deer located in that area. Turkey, small game, got all that kind of good stuff. You're not too terribly far from the Elk River. If you like great fishing, kayaking. And then Charleston is a pretty quick trip too. It's probably only about 35 minutes to Charleston. That way you get some good shopping going on for the lady folks. So anyway, if you need more information, by all means give me a call. Go to www.oldfences.com to be able to see the maps, the topo maps, aerial photos. Click on view listings, and that'll give you that whenever you get to Old Fences site. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the little bell for notifications. That way you get this information first. 304-377-3758 is our number, and I'm Mike Greenlee. I'm the broker. Thank you so much for watching.